Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way to clone a WordPress website. So first of all, this is where we bought the domain name. So the second step is to change the name server. Add your hosting name server. So click on add domain to your host. We are using global-link-couriers.com. I've already added it, that's why it's showing already existed. So this is the domain. So to clone it now, the domain is opening but nothing is there. So to easily clone it, we are cloning a shipping site. So let me give an example of the site we want to clone. Delivery.net. So this is the shipping site we want to clone now. So follow me step by step on how to do this. You can see Golden Link Delivery. You can see the URL goldenlinkdelivery.net. So let's clone this site now. So go back to your direct admin or cPanel. Go to WordPress. Click on WordPress. So note that we have already added our domain to this hosting. So I just want to clone that delivery site, and the delivery. Look at the delivery site here, goldenlink.com.net. You can see clone. Click on clone. It's loading. Okay, click on clone. You can see cloning WordPress. So you put the HTTPS for security, and this is the site you want to clone. So yeah, we are good to go. Clone installation. So as you can see, it's cloning our WordPress site. So it will take a little time. Let me just fast forward it. Okay, coupling files and folders. Note that we are cloning the website. So the website cloning has been done successfully. So let's check the website now. goldenlinkcouriers.com. Voila. So this is our clone site. You can see the clone. So the next step is to change the site logo to the one we want to put. We just cloned this website from goldenlinkdelivery.net. So the next step is to, so this is the dashboard. So the next step is to change the settings and add our logo. So first of all, go to the settings and change the name. Global Link Couriers. Yeah, you can see the name have been changed from the one we cloned. They add a site icon. Okay, site icon is a favicon. This is the site icon. So the next step is to, you can, yeah, everything's okay. You change this email to the email of the new site. Click on save changes. Yeah, as you can see, that will change. So let's change the logo of the site. Click on customization, go to header and edit. This is the email. So edit the email. Okay. So click on publish. Let's change the logo now. Upload our new logo. The logo you want to be on the website. You upload it. Look at it. Have you uploaded? Voila, it have changed. Click on publish and our site is ready to go. So we have successfully cloned this site within a minute. You can see the site. So this is the previous site, goldenlinkdelivery.net. This is the previous site, and this is the one we just cloned now. So like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section below. Thank you guys.